here. So in today's video, we are going to finish up the Splash Into Summer collab. Excuse me. How are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. So this collab is hosted by Ashley Monet. And then we have Yvette at Diamond Budgets, Kendra with Budget with Kendra, Lena and ONL here, Ashley at Ashley Monet, and then we have Megan at Regular Budgets. So last week, I think it was last week, I took out $100 and I stuffed it, but then the camera, it wasn't filming at all. So, okay, now I had to do a double check. So it wasn't filming. And I put $100 in here, and I finished. These are all the cards that I finished. So we can take those out because I won't need those. So I have $90 here. It was $100, but then I went to McD's and got me something to eat. So, so we're gonna finish up this collab, and then we're gonna count it, and then we're gonna see how much we said. Let me get my calculator out. Hold on. Because hopefully we can finish today. But I want to make sure I got everything. Okay. So here's the cards. And we just finna go in order. Okay. So we have... I finished Lena's. So we have this food down here, and it is worth $2, and then we have a bonus for $1. So we're gonna put $3 in here. You may get to go around a couple times. I want to get done finished with this one because then I have me 4 collabs left in my thingamajiggy. Okay, so it's 6 of them. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me put this down. Put these up here. It is 6, but I'm gonna use if it rolls on 6, I'm gonna use it as a dealer's choice. So we got 3. Let's go again. Let's go one more time. And we got 4. This is the one that I want to finish. Okay, let's pull the next one. Oh, okay, let's go 2 more times. Okay, so we do have a 5. Let's have, and let's go one more. 6. Where am I? Oh, here I am. I'm gonna do me. 6 is dealer's choice, and I want to do me for $4. Okay. Oh my gosh. I might get done with this today. 4. We're gonna stop this when the first person wins, which might be me. Another $4. Let's go one more time, which is 5. Okay, let's go away. Oh my gosh, shut the box. Okay, here we go. Shut the box. Oop, we have 5. I hope you guys can see this dice. 2. Okay, I should use, it's fine. Okay, 4. Okay, let's go one more. 3. Okay, so we have a 6. So let's put $6 in here. And then shut the box is done. Okay. So we have mine. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see how much this saves. So 5, we're gonna put $8 in here. This card is done. 5, 6, 7, 8. So my card is complete, and we're gonna go back to this dice. Okay. Ooh, 6 is dealer choice. I'm just gonna win. Why not win on my, if I'm playing it? So $4 is going in here. Oh my gosh. And $5 is you at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, I thought I would be able to finish this today, but we'll see. So let's do this 2, and that's gonna be $3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one, okay, this one might get completed today. So we're back here. Okay, now I'm just doing $1 per row because I ain't got no money. Okay, 1. Okay, I'm back to doing $1 per row. And we just gonna see who is gonna win. 6 is dealer's choice. Okay, it's gonna be me. I won. Okay, that card is completed. Don't need no more of that because I won on this one. And we're going back up here to Yvette's, which is this tree is $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that tree is done. And then this pool is $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, I don't have that much money. Okay, let's this crab. We have a D3. Let's roll a D3 for the crab. 3. So that's gonna be $4 in here. That card is done. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this one, I have that down there too. Okay, the grill, the barbecue grill is $2. It is $2. Okay, we have Megan's, which hers is $5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, I do have cash. I got extra cash. Okay, I'm back. I have $15 here. So we're gonna finish off Megan's and put $5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we're not gonna finish it off because we have one more. Actually, let's just go ahead and finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna put $4 in here, and we're gonna scratch that off. So Megan's is done. Okay, so we have back to Yvette, and this well is $2. Okay, so that card is done. And so her last birds, if you gotta cross them off, then you add $2 to the last one. So basically, this bird is $3 because I got all the flying friends. 1, 2, 3. Now my money's looking weird. Oh, if I run out of money, I do got extra money too, girl. I got more money because I do want to finish this. And then we have this flip flop for $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this flip flop will be done. Wait, yeah, for $4. And do we have, oh, we have this at the bottom. This will be the last one. And this one would be $3 because we already done all these. Okay, let me get more money. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, and for this one I need $3. So I have a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now for events we need, this is $2 and then this is $1. So we're gonna put $3 in here and put that over there, and I have $4 extra. Okay, so let's see how much everything is first. I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna write it on my sticky note, and then we're gonna add them up together. Okay, I'm back. I added it up all off camera and I double checked all my numbers, and for a grand total with the Splash Into Summer savings box, which I should put a paper clip on it, or a clip, I saved a total of $276. Yes, and it's even on my calculator, if you can see. So yes, this was a short and sweet collab, and yeah. So instead of like, I bring $25 a week to collabs, but I moved around some stuff, and I'm just gonna bring $100 every week, or try to knock out some of these collabs, because there's a lot. So collab 1 out of 5 is completed. Kudos to me. And saving $276 for this is crazy. So when you see this video, it will, June has been a crazy month for me. I won't have a video closeout, but you see this video, I mean, you see this, it's $276, which I saved. But right now, I'm about to go get ready, and I'm finna take this to the bank so I can pay off some debt. So yes. So yeah, so $276. I gotta add that to my thing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.